Welcome to Al Sayyed Quran Academy. We provide online Holy Quran classes in all over the world on Skype, WhatsApp, Imo and Zoom. We are teaching Quran reading, Tajweed, Noorani Qaida, Tafsir al-Quran, Hifz Quran, Basic Hadith and Masnoon Duaein. Our features are highly qualified teachers, no age limit, flexible timings, daily 30-minute online classes and free class drill for 3 days. We are teaching in English, Urdu and Pashto. We are also teaching English, Urdu, Arabic and Pashto languages with affordable monthly fee. Get certification on completion of the course. Contact Qari Sayyid Maroof Shah and follow us on social media platforms: Facebook, Al Sayyed Quran Academy, Instagram, Sayyid Maroof Shah Sayyid, Imo and WhatsApp +92 318 111 2698 and YouTube Al Sayyed Quran Academy.